It's a mess. Hi. So I want to welcome everybody to the channel. If you are new here, let's start with the people who have already been here and are subscribed. Thanks. Now for the new people, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for post notifications so that way you know every time I post a new video. Things that you will get from this channel. Randomness. I don't like to try to have one specific type of content. I like to surprise people. You'll see dance videos, how-tos, photo shoots, all kinds of crazy stuff. Things you won't see. Do you ever see how other YouTubers make those thumbnails? They're making some fake expression in the very beginning, like to try to clickbait you to come in and click on their video, and it's absolutely nothing about what you want or what they say the video is going to be about. They'll give you some type of thumbnail with some fake expression like, bruh. It's not what we do here. We do real stuff. A lot of people are struggling right now through the current pandemic with the coronavirus, and some people are laid off work. Some people have lost their jobs, and there's a lot of us that have been fortunate enough to still be working or be paid by our employers. To help those people who might be struggling these times and try to do something positive in the sneaker community to uplift people. So I had a few guys from Twitter reach out to me. We decided to do a giveaway. So what we did was we took a few donations. We had a couple of guys in the group that actually donated a couple of pairs of bloodlines, and they kind of let me do my thing and do customs to them. And so we're gonna go ahead and give away those and then a little bit of cash. So what is the giveaway? We'll have 4 winners of this giveaway. The first 2 winners are gonna win a pair of the customs, and the second 2 winners will win $100 each. We're also gonna offer some transparency. The pairs of shoes, one is a size 10 and the other size is a 12. So there's no surprises that when somebody wins, and they will, oh yeah, they're gonna win. You know exactly what you can win, but I know what you're saying. Juan, what are the rules of the giveaway? How do I win this? I'm gonna tell you, with bots and backdooring, sometimes it's almost impossible to grab a pair of shoes that you really wanted. We thought about doing a raffle, we've seen how those go. So this one's gonna be different. One of the things that I think is missing in the sneaker community that used to be there is that human connection. I remember days when you used to go to the store, you go to the mall, and you stood in line to get your shoes and you talk to people. Right now we have shoes getting released out of the back doors of stores, people with automated computer programs snatching up 18 different pairs of shoes and trying to resell them for 4 times the price. So I wanted to take that element out and bring that human connection back. So to be able to enter for this giveaway, you're gonna make a short video. It could be 15 seconds. I wanna hear how you got into the sneaker community and what it means to you. For me, my very first job as a teenager at 15 and a half was at Finish Line at a mall. My dad was a sneakerhead, and so I just kind of followed suit with him. But I remember the history that he taught me in every pair of shoes that he got, whether it was the metallic 5 Jordans or a pair of shell toe Adidas. He always taught me to appreciate the history in that shoe, especially when we came from a place where we couldn't hardly afford the clothes on our back. So I want to hear your story. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make your video, then I want you to email it to me. I have my email right there. How long do you have? It's the 26th. What's 1 week from the 26th? Sunday, May 3rd. Got it. I got it. Sunday, May 3rd. Make sure to have your video entry emailed to my email, and we're gonna give away some stuff. We're gonna bring that human connection back. You probably wanna know what the shoes look like, don't you? I knew you were gonna want to.
Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green, and you, I'm stuck in the blue. you how I'm feeling. How do you have so much time? Been searching for a reason for why you'd love a chip design. Aren't you listening to me?